Everybody, Bobby the Fan Man here. Here's a 2023 Sarasota Breeze 10-inch box fan. I got this at Ollie's last week for $12. It's a good little fan. Runs pretty good. These are based off the Duracraft box fans from the 90s. That came in a bunch of different colors. And these were modeled with so many different brands like Breeze and Breezeway, Aries, Design Accents, I think it's called, or something like that. And yeah. So here's low. This does rattle a little bit, but I'm not too concerned about it because it does run pretty good. It's low. Medium. I think something this small to have 3 speeds is very rare, because most 10-inch box fans are usually 2. Like the Duracraft DB10 was only a 2-speed. So I'm not too sure why they would add a 3rd speed rather than just having 2. But whatever. It is what it is. And high. But it does make it more powerful. That I will give that. Back to medium. Back to low. And off. Here's the side of it. This is exactly a stock image of the Aries box fans, which I do have actually. Only the back is gray. The back of the fan. Little motor here inside there. Ouch. This just fell. Never mind. Whatever. Little motor in there. Actually, it's a nice little box fan. The only thing I think would have been a lot smarter if they put feet on the front here instead of just on the back. But whatever. So it was made on the November 16th, 2023. But this tag over here says 12/2023, and it is model BP-9. So it's not the YFC 1002 model, like they branded the Aries ones as. Like they modeled the Aries after that. This is the BP-9 model. Alright guys, actually I'm going to show the box real quick before I go. Here's the box. It reminds me like the this box gives me 1990s, early 2000s vibes. I don't know why, just the styling of the box. As you can see, it says Ollie's right there, $12.99. I'm not sure what. It also says $24.99 for a different price. I'm not sure what that would have been sold. Where would have these sold other than Ollie's for $24.99? There's the side of it. And pretty much on the front, on the back rather. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok, which is Bobby the Fan Collector. Have a great night, and God bless. Bye-bye.